Hello, guys. So how many of you out there have ever been in a situation where you don't have a bottle opener, but you have a beer? Or I should say you have a beer, but you don't have a bottle opener. Well, this video will show you how to open a beer without a bottle opener. And as you can see here, we need something like a lighter, something hard. We're gonna basically use this lighter and find a point where we can leverage and pop it off. As you can see, like, you're gonna pop it off. So it's gonna take some practice, but eventually you're gonna get it. You're gonna wanna find a point on your finger and imagine it as a seesaw. You know, like two kids on a seesaw like this. So you're gonna think of that, and then you're gonna hold the bottle, use these fingers to kind of hold down, and then this one is gonna squeeze the lighter. And you're gonna see from the leverage that basically you have to find that right point. And then you're gonna push, this hand is gonna push down like a lever, and then it's gonna pop off. Easy. See how that worked? So basically, it was just, I popped it off. So that is how you open a beer bottle if you do not have a beer bottle opener. Hope that helped, guys.